Welcome to the video on Organizational Governance and Whistleblowing. In this video, we are going to cover 6 things related to organizational governance as stated below. 1. Definition. 2. Cornerstones. 3. Relationship with risk and control. 4. Role of internal audit. 5. Good governance practices. 6. Characteristics of an effective whistleblowing program. Let us start with 1. Definition. Organizational governance is the processes and structures implemented by the board to inform, direct, manage, and monitor the achievement of organizational objective. 2. Cornerstones. There are 4 cornerstones for a good corporate governance as given below. 1. Board of Directors. 2. Executive Management. 3. External Auditors. 4. Internal Auditors. 3. Relationship with the risk and control. Risk and control have a strong relationship with governance. All 5 components of internal control system, namely control environment, risk management, information and communication, control activity, and monitoring, touch the governance process. 4. Role of internal audit. Internal audit has a major role to play in the organizational governance by way of assessing the governance. 7 steps in the assessment of organizational governance is given below. 1. Understand general principles and models. 2. Review the governance related documents. 3. Preliminary audit plan. 4. Meet the decision makers. 5. Execute the plan. 6. Consult legal counsel. 7. Complete the process. 5. Good governance practices. Board should protect and promote the interest of the stockholders and other internal and external stakeholders. Some of the good governance practices are given below. 1. Segregation of the roles of chair of the board and CEO. 2. Forming of board committees to assist the board in its governance function. 3. Considering the effectiveness of whistleblowing policies and procedures on a regular basis. 6. Characteristics of an effective whistleblowing. Whistleblowing is an essential safety valve, an important element in a healthy corporate culture, and should be part of the internal control environment. Having seen the definition, cornerstones, relationship with risk and control, role of internal audit, and good governance practices, we are now going to see the characteristics of an effective whistleblowing program that should form part of control environment in any organization. Whistleblowing program helps the organization to detect situations with the potential legal implications and or consequences that may emerge from time to time due to various reasons. The program provides a cost-effective platform to all stakeholders who wants to report something outside their normal chain of command. Fraud or abuse or any impropriety within the organization can be reported through the whistleblowing platforms. The reported whistles are kept confidential and investigated, and corrective and preventive actions are taken based on the investigation report. It helps the organization to prevent or reduce the damage caused by the potential fraudulent transactions or situations. The whistleblowing program provides safety, security, and protection to the whistleblowers from retaliation, both from the side of the management and from the employees. For implementing an intelligent, dynamic, and cost-effective whistleblowing program in your organization, kindly contact Josh Matthew at sitespeakup.com.